Hey everyone, we have a new announcement from Canon. It is official. The next entry in the mirrorless lineup is the EOS R3. Let's go. Alright guys, we do not have many details yet, but one of the things we do know is that this camera is going to be positioned between the R5 and the 1DX Mark III. The camera is already listed on the B&H website as a coming soon item. This is great guys, and it seems like the rumors were correct. The R3 is going to be a full frame stacked BSI CMOS dual pixel AF with auto exposure sensor. This sensor is designed to produce less rolling shutter distortion during electronic shutter operations. It is also said that the subject tracking will have deep learning that will improve the eye and body detection. This means that it will have a better performance during portrait and action type of shooting. For photos, it will have a continuous shooting of 30 frames per second, and in video it will record 4K internal RAW at log 3 flat footage. It is promised that the R3 will have a better performance in a low light environment with the ability to focus in a low light as EV7, along with 8 stops of coordinate IS control when used with an RF lens. The EOS R3 will have an amazing performance even in a very dark environment or very dark areas. Also, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and to click the subscribe button. If you do so, then you can save the universe for falling into a loop of trendy hashtags. Yeah, I don't know what that means, but it just sounded cool. The body features a solid but very light magnesium alloy that carries forward the integrated vertical grip similar to the 1DX cameras. It also has the same weather resistance as the 1DX, which is great. It will use the same Canon LPE19 batteries, and memory cards will have one option for CF Express Type B and SD card slot. Something that will be different from the 1DX is this camera will have a very angled LCD screen, which the 1DX cameras do not have. They don't have a flip screen. I know. It also is worth to mention the camera will also feature a multi-controller to help you easily select the AF point, quickly change menu settings, and more. As of right now, we don't know how much the R3 is gonna cost on when exactly Canon is gonna fully release this camera so we can pre-order. But I will keep my eye on it and I will provide you with information as soon as we know. I hope you guys are as excited as I am with this camera. You know, I always get super excited when a new camera comes along, either Sony or Canon or Nikon. As a content creator, cameras are necessary, so I'm in love with them, I like them, and I like to talk about them. Alright guys, so thank you for watching. I hope this information is helpful to you. You guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell, and see you guys next time. Peace.